Hello everybody. So as you can see, I pulled the piece of plywood out. I do want to put bracing under the piece of plywood to make it more structurally firm. The tire will help with support, but I don't want to rely on it. I'm actually going to put a wooden leg here, and up here. I don't think I can fit one on this outside. So when it lifts up, the legs lift up with the piece of wood, because there's going to be a hinge between that piece of wood and the piece of wood that was here. I did take out, because there was a high point in this, I did take out the fascia came off of this heater vent right here really easily. So that can be reattached. I decided to keep it just in case if I ever want to sell this van. I'm not doing anything that's permanent. I can still install the back seat here. The back front seat, or the middle seats, are never going to be put back in, so that's a lost cause at this point. But the piece of plywood clears everything, even these tie downs, and it's pretty flush. So I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, so make a long story short, I am going to put some sort of bracing in the middle here. Maybe I'll put something down right through the middle of the tire. I have no idea. It's still a work in progress, so bear with me on that. But yeah, it lays perfectly flat. And like I was saying in my last video, the reason why I removed some of the fascia over here off of this is because these access points, I can tie down a piece of an attachment that I'll attach to my shelf that I'm going to be building to hold it in place. So I thought that was pretty neat. I didn't find any more holes over here, anything with threads that I can use to tie down my stuff. I did see these. There is one on the other side too, so I don't know if I'm going to use those or not. We'll see. But yeah, so that's how far I've come. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe.